Diabetes changes how your body turns food into energy. Understanding what's happening is the first step to managing it. Normally, food becomes glucose in the blood. Insulin from the pancreas acts as a key, letting cells absorb glucose for energy. In diabetes, this system breaks down. Either the pancreas makes too little insulin or cells stop responding to it properly. Type 1 is an autoimmune disease where the pancreas stops making insulin. Type 2, the most common form, involves insulin resistance. Common signs include increased thirst, frequent urination, unexplained weight loss, blurred vision, and slow healing cuts or infections. Doctors diagnose diabetes with blood tests, HbA1c, fasting glucose, oral glucose tolerance test, or a random glucose check. Type 1 always requires insulin, delivered by daily injections, an insulin pump, or an automated system linked to a glucose sensor. For type 2, doctors commonly start with lifestyle changes and metformin. Newer drugs like GLP-1 agonists and SGLT2 inhibitors are increasingly used. Gestational diabetes appears during pregnancy and usually resolves after delivery. It is managed with diet, monitoring, and sometimes insulin. Continuous glucose monitors track sugar levels every few minutes through a small sensor under the skin, sending data to a phone. Over years, high blood sugar can damage eyes, kidneys, nerves, and the heart. Regular screening helps catch problems early. Daily choices matter. Balanced meals, regular movement, good sleep, and about 150 minutes of moderate activity each week. Did you know you can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost?
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.